What's up, YouTube? Mr. King coming at you live from the studio. So what we got today? Here are the questions. Please pause the video now and answer the questions in your bell work. Next, so remember, we do have a genetics exam next week. It'll probably be on Thursday. Here's what we're doing today. You're going to evaluate the chances an offspring will inherit two traits tied together in dihybrid cross. So you're basically going to finish what you did yesterday. So classwork, go to Tuesday. Punnett squares and dihybrid crosses. Boom, right here. So that last question is what we're really waiting on. So scroll down to the bottom. Everything else should be done except this one may be a little difficult. So it says long legs is dominant to short legs. Long arms is dominant to short arms. Your mom and dad are both heterozygous. So remember, heterozygous means different alleles. So complete a dihybrid Punnett square to figure out the possible genotypes and phenotypes. So heterozygous, you gotta think different alleles. So the parent, both the mom and the dad, have two different letters for L's and A's. So they're both heterozygous for long arms and short arms. They're both heterozygous for legs and for arms. Okay. Next, you use FOIL to get the mom's eggs and then the dad's sperm to figure out what genes they're going to carry. This one was a little tricky because you'll have a different set for every sperm or egg possibility. And then there are 16 total. What I wanted you to focus on are noticing that only 9 of the kids will have long arms and long legs. So 9 in total will have long arms and long legs like their parents. Some kids will have a combo, long arms and short legs, or long legs and short arms, but most 9 out of 16 will look like their parents. One kid, this kid, there's only one that has both short arms and short legs. It's rare, but it can happen. If you have like 2 really tall parents and then a short kid, it's rare, but it can happen. Yep. So once you finish that, please turn it in. And then go to Wednesday, Punnett square quiz. So here's the quiz that we're doing today. It's fairly short. So having freckles is dominant. Maria has a median complexion with no freckles, while her sister has freckles. So here are the genotypes. Remember, freckles is dominant. Based on what the kids have, Maria and Lucy, what might the parents have for their genotypes? What are the parents' genotypes if this is what the kids got? You have to work backwards here. And then for number 2, you need to complete a Punnett square and prove to me why your parents' genotypes were right. If your parents' genotypes are right, then Lucy and Maria's genotypes should show up here. And then remember, give the genotypes in each percent for phenotype 2. And then for number 3, explain how probability, like chance, plays a role in this phenomenon where twins look way different. How could that be possible? What does it have to do with chance? And then last one, we have an extra credit question. Color blindness is the inability to differentiate between certain color variations. In humans, red-green color blindness is sex-linked and it's recessive, which is carried by the X chromosome. So it's a recessive disease. It's carried by the X chromosome. So try and think, this one will be a little tricky. Why, if it's recessive in the X chromosome, why are men more likely to be colorblind than women? That is the last question. When you're all done, please hit turn in, like these 10 people, and then take the attendance survey for the day. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.